I am sure you've been seeing a lot of stick figure animations such as this or such as this, especially for the motivation world or for the fun world. Now, this has become one of the ways to get money quick on YouTube using faceless content. But for most people, the issue is either they can't animate or they find the platforms that you use too many or too technical for them to understand how to animate such videos. And so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily create a stick figure animation using just a voice or an audio form and bringing it into life to say whatever you wanted to say. If you're not yet a part of the family, ensure you click on that subscribe button so you can get notification on educative videos such as this, because I drop them weekly. So without wasting much time, let's get right into it. So guys, the platform I'm talking about is the Adobe Express platform. I'm going to be using my laptop for this tutorial, but be sure to know that you can also use your phone by just simply downloading the app Adobe Express. So this is it over here at the top left hand corner. You can download this particular app on your phone and use it free from your Play Store or your App Store. So guys, let's get right into the tutorial. So the place we're focusing on is the animate characters. So when you click on animate characters, it's going to launch the different characters for you. So as you can see, I picked this one already as a sample to show you guys. This is cute. It is so suitable for humor content, fun content, or just rants. And then as you can see, we have other characters as well. So we have Fergus, and then we have Edith, we have Agnes. So these are the 4 characters. There used to be one more before, but I think it's been taken out now. So but yeah, you still have 4 different characters that are like stick figures that you can use for your animation. And then it also gives you an option to change their backgrounds. You can change the backgrounds into any background that you like, and then you can also work on the sizing of the video. So you can decide to have maybe something like a YouTube landscape or like a normal story and reels portrait, or you can decide to pick based on the social media platform here. So guys, it covers everything. So once you pick the particular figure you want to use for your character, the next thing to do is to get your audio. So you can either click on record and directly say what you want to say, and that is what the animation is going to say, or you can browse and then add a maximum of 2 minutes audio that your character is going to say. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do your script and how you can get your audio using free platforms. All platforms I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial are free, so there's no worries about maybe you're going to have to pay for subscription or anything. Even Adobe Express is free. So next place we're going to go to is we're going to go to our ChatGPT. Okay, so we're going to come to ChatGPT here, and then we're going to get a particular script that we want to use for the animation character. So I can just say the ChatGPT to create a script for a funny rant about the UK weather. So for this kind of content, usually I advise people to make it as short and punchy as possible. So I'm going to tell you to make sure that the script is going to give me can be read in 30 seconds, just so it's straightforward, especially when you're just starting this kind of content. So ensure the script is 30 seconds long and is full of humor and punchlines, just to make it fun and then make it interesting for people to actually watch. So we're just going to prompt ChatGPT and then get the audio before we move over to the next stage. So guys, ChatGPT has given us audio, so all we need to do is to copy this Control C, and then the next platform we are going to is the 11 Labs. So this is one of my favorite platforms. It's my favorite because it gives me the most realistic voices that I can use for animated characters, and also it gives monthly free credits that you can use. So you don't have to bother about paying right when you start. You can simply use your free credits until you grow enough to actually need more credits. So I'm going to just copy this and then I'll paste it right over here, and I'm going to remove all unnecessary places, things I don't want the character to say. I'm going to remove them. So this looks good to me. So once this is good, you can change your voice here, and like I said, all this can be done on your phone. If you want to use 11 Labs on your phone, all you need to do is to just go to your browser and then type out 11labs.io, just like you have on the browser here. So over here you can see you have the voice. You can change it to other voice. This is my favorite voice, which you can switch to if you want, and then you can change how fast you want it to be, how slow you want it to be, and all of that. Once you're good with the settings, the next thing you do is to click on generate speech. And so this takes a couple of seconds. I'm going to generate speech. As you can see, it's already reading out what it's generating. So once you are okay with the generation and everything, then you can click on download, and then this will download to my gallery. Now once you have your audio downloaded, then you go back to your Adobe Express. Mind you, if you want to skip all these parts, all you need to do is to click record and then record in your own voice. Or if you have a particular audio from elsewhere that you want to do, all you need to do is just click on browse, and then you can input it right from there. You can see as soon as I click on browse, it took me to my downloads, and then I can click on the one I just downloaded and then click on open, and this will animate. So what it's going to do is it's going to lip sync the particular audio that I picked, and then it's also going to make my character move hands here and there to gesticulate that particular motion. So once you get your video, you can then go over to a platform like CapCut or in-house on your TikTok and then edit them. That is, you can add a lot of maybe sound effects and all that in order to make your videos more realistic. So guys, you can see it's already done, so we're just going to play it and see. So guys, just have a look at this. It's talking just like this. I think I should have used a male voice since I used this guy, but anyways, it still works. So guys, just look at it. It's moving its hand based on the script and all that. All you need to do is to add a background music and then you're good to go, or add sound effect, different things, and you're good to go. So guys, let me know what you think about this video, and when you're done, all you need to do is to click on download, and then you're good to go to post on any platform of your choice. I do hope you found this helpful. If you found this helpful, do give me a subscribe and a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comment, and I'll see you on my next video tutorial. Bye.